Whoa! Today's video is gonna be super awesome because we have a brand new TV in the home. This is Samsung's all new AI powered OLED TV. So just a couple of weeks ago, if you guys remember, I was in Bangalore at Samsung Opera House for their AI TVs launch 2024. There, Samsung has launched their 2024 lineup of Neo QLED TVs and also their brand new OLED TVs as well. And finally, today in the home, we have their all new S90D OLED TV for unboxing. I'm like very excited, guys. It packs some next level features and not to miss out brand new AI features as well. First of all, this OLED TV has like insanely high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and has all the gaming features you might be looking for: auto low latency mode, VRR support, FreeSync Premium, and one major highlight is the TV also supports cloud gaming, so you can play all your favorite AAA title games without the need of any console or PC. Like, how cool is that? We'll be talking about all of those features in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So there you go, our brand new 2024 AI powered OLED TV from Samsung came in this sort of packaging. Very simple packaging, I'd say. You just have the Samsung logo and mentions the OLED branding on the right side. The model we'll be checking out today is 55-inch variant S90DA. This TV is available in different sizes starting from 55 inches to all the way up to 83 inch as well, and as I've told you, we have the 55-inch variant. Quickly unboxing it, we've got some accessories at the top side which include two TV stands, and design looks very similar to the previous model S90C from 2023. Keeping that aside, you also have a packet of accessories over here which includes a TV remote, and as usual guys, even this model comes with their unique solar powered remote. Very slim profile, has lots of useful buttons on it including shortcuts for OTT platform. Along with that, you also get a mains cord for the TV, and this is your bottom plate for the TV stand. So basically, once you fix the stand right, this plate goes on top of that, entirely made of polycarbonate material but has a nice brushed metallic sort of finishing. Unpacking the TV was also very simple, guys. The outer box slides out like this, and there you go, our brand new 2024 AI powered S90D OLED TV from Samsung. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the TV, use it for a couple of days, and then I'll be back to share my complete experience and feedback on the model. So there you go boys, our brand new Samsung S90D OLED TV is all set up, and I've been using this TV for almost 2 weeks at my place, almost like a daily driver. And today in this video I'll be sharing my complete experience about the picture quality, sound quality, and the special AI related features as well, guys, not to miss out gaming features as well. So make sure to watch it till the end. I've actually divided this whole video into like different sections, so we'll be going part by part. Samsung has launched two variants in their AI OLED TVs. You're getting S90D and the S95D series. 95D is slightly a bit more premium series, I would say, that even features the glare free technology and couple of other stuff which are not there on the 90D. Obviously price difference is also there. And today in the house we have the S90D OLED TV, and both of these are AI powered TVs, guys. Plenty of AI features are there which we'll be talking about in this video. S90D OLED TV is available in different size variants. You get from 55 inches to all the way up to 83 inches as well. Today in the house we have the 55-inch variant, and I'm telling you right, this OLED TV looks absolutely beautiful and has a very sleek design, guys. They're calling it as laser slim design. We'll come there and talk about the design and build quality as well in a moment. But first of all, I'm like very excited to start off with the picture quality and the sound quality, guys, because this is like the main highlight of this model, and also not to miss out those AI related features as well. So before I directly jump over there and share my experience, first of all, let me just open up YouTube, a couple of OTT platforms, play some videos for your people. Just have a look at that, and then I'll share my experience and opinion on this model.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed.
You people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you'd ask my feedback, as I've told you, I've been using this OLED TV for almost like 12-14 days, almost 2 weeks is what I can say. And mind-blowing experience, guys. No, I'm not exaggerating. You people saw those demos. And in fact, I've reviewed so many models, right? This is probably the finest OLED TV that I have checked out in 2024. There is a lot I'll have to talk about in this section, starting off with this AI customization features, color volume, picture quality, so many things. So first of all, let me tell you, this is the 55-inch variant of their S90D OLED TV, and there is excellent amount of detail. You're getting native 4K resolution at this size, crisp and clear text, no matter what sort of content you're watching, right? Everything looks razor sharp. I mean, just check out these sample clips over here. And main highlight of the TV is it's powered by Samsung's newest InQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, the same one found in their Neo QLED TVs as well, 2024 variant. So this brand new processor literally features like a NPU onboard neural processing unit that is almost 4 times faster than the previous gen, and also offers like 2.5 times greater AI neural networks. NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor is powered by 20 AI neural networks for next level 4K AI upscaling. So not just high resolution, even if you're watching low quality content, maybe say your set-top box or TV channel, something like that, right? TV does a really good job with the 4K AI upscaling as well, with minimum artifacts and compression. If you ask about the colors, color quality, color accuracy is also like really good, guys. It is producing like rich and vibrant colors, and main reason for that is it's an OLED panel, not your regular IPS or VA. So you're getting like self-illuminating pixels over here, and that makes a big difference, either it be brightness or viewing angles or even the color reproduction or color volume, guys. It has a wide color gamut range that easily covers your DCI-P3 color gamut, and not to miss out, the panel is also like Pantone validated. So out of the box only, TV was producing like very natural and accurate colors, either it be skin tones or any sort of content you're watching. And I'm telling you, right, I was like very happy and satisfied with the overall results we were getting on the S90D. Talking about the contrast levels and black levels, you don't even need to ask. It's an OLED panel, so obviously you'll be getting to like near to infinite contrast ratio and true blacks, guys. I mean, look at this, true blacks. There is nothing to complain about here. One thing I can definitely say is, compared to the previous S90C last year's model, on the newer 2024 S90D, we are having slightly a bit more higher brightness. So especially if you're watching like HDR related content, you're also getting like OLED HDR plus technology, right? So you're getting like really good peak brightness levels, and dynamic range in the content was also like really good. It had good amount of detail in both the highlight areas and shadow areas, and you'll be like very happy and satisfied while watching movies or any sort of content, either it be like 4K web series also right on Netflix. Superb experience is what I can say. And not to miss out, viewing angles on this model was also like top notch, guys. No matter from which angle you're checking out the display, either it be extreme left or extreme right corner also, right, picture looks the same on this model. TV also has like anti-reflection coating, and I'm telling you, right, reflection handling capabilities on this OLED TVs is very nice. And not to miss out, as I've told you, the whole TV is powered by AI experience. You're getting something known as AI customization mode that will automatically detect the type of content, either it is sports content, movie content, and auto apply picture and sound settings to give you the best and optimum results. Keeping the picture quality aside, let's also talk about the sound quality as well. So S90D OLED TV features 2.1 channel speaker setup, and you're also getting Dolby Atmos support, Q Symphony support is also there, OTS Lite, and something new introduced this time is Adaptive Sound Pro and Active Voice Amplifier Pro. And overall audio experience has been really nice over here. Usually I'm not that satisfied with the built-in TV speakers on a lot of models, but that is not the case over here, guys. The built-in 2.1 channel speaker setup was doing a good job. It has a nice balanced and warm audio profile. I watched like plenty of content on Netflix, Prime Video, and even on YouTube, right? And audio quality was like really good, guys. If you are actually tight on a budget, right, these built-in speakers will actually get your job done. Sound quality is nice. It was producing rich dialogues which are like clearly audible, and main reason for that is that Active Voice Amplifier Pro. So this is like a brand new AI technology, guys. So what happens is, say suppose you're watching a movie and there is some sort of unnecessary background or ambient noise disturbance happening. TV will smartly identify that and automatically increase the gain for the voice dialogues or any sort of dialogues that are coming in the content. And not only that, maybe you're watching some sort of content, maybe like a Hollywood movie where the dialogues have like very less output compared to the background sounds. It will smartly detect that using AI and automatically increases the dialogue volume, guys. Now comes the fun part. I know you people were waiting for this, right? Let's talk about the gaming related features, and not just the picture and sound settings. Even in the gaming features, right, you're getting plenty of AI related new modes and features this time. So first of all, let me tell you, S90D OLED TV features like a super high 144Hz refresh rate, and yes, you're getting auto low latency mode support, VRR support is also there, FreeSync premium support is also there, and not to miss out, Samsung's game bar features are also included. This time the main highlight is AI auto game mode that will automatically detect the type of game that you play, either it is FPS game, racing game, or like maybe role playing game, right, and automatically apply proper picture and sound settings to give you best possible results. I've played a variety of games on the TV using both consoles and PCs and had a great experience. Gaming performance was really good, all thanks to its really high 144Hz refresh rate, that to at 4K resolution, and nearly instantaneous response time, guys, hardly around like 0.4 to 0.5 millisecond, and not to miss out, input lag was also quite minimum. Apart from that, you're also getting game bar integration just like last time. That will give you access to a lot of features like virtual aim assist is there, especially for your FPS games. Black equalizer option is also there, ultra wide aspect ratio support as well, and lastly, auto mini map zoom that automatically enlarges those tiny mini maps in the games for better visibility. And also one feature I totally forgot to talk about is Samsung TV Plus. So basically you're getting access for like free live channels on this TV. You don't need to take any subscription, you don't need to pay any fees, nothing. You can watch up to 100 plus free TV channels directly on this TV, guys, that too without any set-top box connected. We're almost coming to an end, so let me give you a closer look at the home screen and talk about the software experience and the operating system you're getting on this brand new 2024 S90D OLED TV. So here's how the home screen on the TV looks like. As I've told you guys, S90D OLED TV is powered by Samsung's Tizen operating system, and you're actually getting like a brand new home screen and experience, slightly different compared to the last year's model. You're getting three different categories on the home screen: For You section, a live TV channel section, and your app section. In the For You section, it will automatically keep recommending content using AI, and it keeps changing day-to-day basis depending on the type of content that you're watching. Going down, you got your quick access shortcuts for all the apps that you've been using on a regular basis, and below that is your complete content generation, guys. And let me tell you, overall software experience has been pretty nice, and everything feels like very smooth, guys. Navigation, opening and closing of apps, had a really good experience. No stutters, no lags, nothing like that on this TV. If you ask about the apps and content, right, plenty of apps are there. In fact, you're getting an app store section. As I've told you, there's a dedicated app category section. From here you can download all your favorite OTT platforms, and by default on board now you're getting all your favorite OTT apps installed, like Hotstar is there, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, everything can pre-install. Apart from that, if you want to download anything else, right, yes, you can download Jio Cinema, Z5, Sun Next, AHA, plenty of apps are there, guys, so not an issue at all. And going to the left section over here you have some settings and shortcuts. So first one, you've got your search bar, ambient mode display is also there, and this one is your home section. And going down, you've got your smart connected devices. So as I've told you, this is like a smart AI TV, and using the smart connected device section, right, you can easily manage and control all your smart appliances or any sort of devices that are connected to Samsung Smart Things Hub. Not only that, Smart Things Hub also offers AI energy mode that helps you save energy whenever you're using the smart appliances or devices. It gives you a complete detailed analysis on which device or appliance is utilizing how much energy, that too on a monthly basis. You can check out all of these details directly on your TV. Apart from these features, you're also getting some brand new smart experience features on this model, like Education Hub, Cloud Gaming, Smart Yoga integration, and TV Key Cloud as well. Education Hub is pretty useful for your kids. It offers learning courses with live classes directly on your TV. Like you can access lectures, math problems from class 6 to 10, or even for your competitive exam preparations. Everything is there over here. Second interesting feature I have to talk about is Cloud Gaming, guys, exclusively available on this new 2024 lineup of TVs from Samsung. Cloud Gaming service lets you play all your favorite AAA title games plug and play on the go, that too without the need of a gaming console or a gaming PC. How cool is that? A dream for all the gamers. Though you definitely need to take a subscription from either of these apps and services like OnePlay or Antiplay, which you can directly download from Samsung's App Store. And not just gaming, remember at the beginning I've told you that the TV also has smart yoga integration as well, that too using Yogify. All you need is an AI enabled mat from Yogify. Pair it with your TV, and that's it. It'll guide you step by step instructions at your home, and even notifies you and corrects your body posture if you're doing some mistakes. Everything happening real time on your TV. And last but not the least, this is also something very interesting, guys. TV key cloud feature. This is the first time I'm actually saying this. So usually for watching TV channels, live channels basically, you'll obviously need like a set-top box, right? Again, for that you'll need to connect cables and have a different remote. It's all a bit of hassle. TV key cloud feature gets rid of all of these things. You don't need any set-top box separately, no cables, nothing. It's like having a built-in set-top box within the TV, guys. You just need to take a subscription and you're all set watching channels on your TV. And not to miss out, the 2024 S90D OLED TV also comes with Samsung's Knox Matrix security. It offers a 3-layer security solution for enhanced privacy and superior data protection. So you can worry-free browse internet-based services on the TV and ensures you have a much safer environment when storing or communicating data. And wait a second, I totally forgot to show you the design and talk about that, right? So let me give you a closer look and show you how the design of this TV looks like. So compared to the previous S90C last year's model, design is like very similar to that, but you're getting subtle differences here and there. First of all, Samsung is calling this design as laser slim design, and I mean, just look at the side profile of this TV. TV is very slim from the side, guys. Absolutely sleek design. I mean, look at the thickness over here. It is hardly around like a 5 rupee coin thickness. That is what I'm talking about. Mind blowing design, guys. And also look at the front profile as well. Nearly bezel-less experience on all the sides. On the sides and the top, no bezel only. On the bottom right corner, you're getting a tiny Samsung logo, and that's it. There's nothing else over here. Coming to the stand, you're getting a very similar sort of stand design compared to the last year's model, but the finishing is a bit different. Samsung is calling it as Space Titan color and has a beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish. Overall build quality of the TV is also excellent as usual. Top notch build quality, guys. It's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate. Let me also give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. S90D has plenty of connectivity ports. Starting from the bottom side, here you're getting two HDMI 2.1 ports, digital optical out is there, Ethernet LAN port is also available, and lastly an RF antenna in. And to the left side, here you got two more HDMI 2.1 ports, and out of these, HDMI 3 supports EARC. You're also getting two USB ports to connect some external storage devices, but only the bottom one has 1 amp output, so here only you can connect your larger hard disk drives, maybe up to like a TB or 2 TB. Well, that's it, our complete overview on Samsung's newest 55-inch S90D OLED TV 2024. Excellent TV, either it be for gaming or even for entertainment purpose. You're getting a beautiful laser slim design, great OLED panel with up to 144Hz refresh rate, and not to miss out all of those next-gen AI features included. The pricing for the 55-inch variant starts at around 1,64,990 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on the product, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.